Holy shit.
Go for it.
Was that hair trigger?
Oh man, that's great.
What the? Oh, I'm not even on the trigger. There's a guy's trigger. Uh-oh, is it done?
Hold on. Yeah, okay.
Did he not cock?
All right, now go for it.
Oh yeah. Is it right?
Recording on both.
Holy shit.
When you cock it back, that little fork in it is the sight.
Oh, I got it out.
Yeah, usually you'll want to wait a little bit.
Yeah, I realized you said that as soon as I did it.
Oh. There you go.
Man, that's consistent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jesus.
Where'd it go? Whoa, that went way high.
It's about a foot and a half. It's about a foot and a half.
What the fuck?
8
Oh,
inches.
I wonder if
about 18
they're
inches.
balls, so they're... Yeah,
They're
they're
never
balls.
The sight.
Yeah.
It's the sight, dude. It's not
It's not
calibrated.
gonna make it jump.
No, it's
Oh,
just
foot
the
more.
sight. Oh, you got a dud.
I had flinched, too.
Why'd you flinch?
I don't know.
There you go.
Look at that smoke.
Go for it.
Oh, you got a dud.
Wait, was that two?
No.
Only one went off.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
I aimed way low on that one. Kentucky windage. Did not work.
So you were shooting there.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, it hit right next to the dot.
Yeah, winner, winner. One more. This
It's-
thing is accurate as hell.
It's a fluke if you don't hit right next to it. Nope. You winged it off to the right.
Yeah, I aimed it where it's. You're gonna be wait. Yeah, aim at the plate. Center of the plate. Nope.
You missed. Way high.
I was real high. Where'd you aim at? You were way high.
Holy shit, what a flinch.
Just aim at the plate. Oh, you hit it. I don't know where.
It looked like it just hit the black.
Oh, you hit the shoulder. I think you hit the top shoulder. Yeah, I think he's still high. Where we aim at the crack?
Yeah.
Holy hair trigger.
Wherever you aimed, you hit the right side.
The right side.
Holy hair trigger, Batman.
I see it. So it's by. It's where the orange,
hit
where the big
230.
black is, but it's a
You
little bit
hit
to the right.
230.
All right. That's not bad.
Well, it depends on where you're aiming.
I was aiming at the plate.
That's a 2 foot difference.
So so I'll go to the left a little bit. Oh, you son of a bitch. Right?
Yep.
Oh,